about this question. A ratio B 3 ratio 5, B ratio C 4 ratio 7. Here A ratio B is 3 ratio 5. So imagine we have total 3 boxes with partitions like this. A has 3 partition. B, first we have divided B box in 5 parts. In the other ratio we have to keep the box size same. So as you see here, B in top has the same size as the B or the red box below, but the partition below is 4. So below B box is divided into 4 equal parts because of this ratio, B ratio C. Now C is another box which has 7 parts. So these red boxes are of same, should be of same sizes because B is appearing uh, twice in two ratios, which means we have to keep the P size same. But size can be kept same. But since if you see the numbers here, first 5 is the number for B. In the next ratio, 4 is the number for B. And ratio means partitions only. Now up next, ABC means A ratio B, B ratio C means these boxes are connected now. So imagine as if these black and red and the bottom red and purple boxes are connected, but I can't draw purple here because of the difference partitions of B. Now connected means they are ratios. Connected like this. If something is written like this, which tells me a message, all three values or all three boxes are proportional to each other or their ratios are proportional to each other. When we write these triple ratios separately, we will write like this. And since there is a proportionality, I can show it like this. Okay. Now this is what is already given from the question. Now how do I solve A ratio B ratio C? Now you have to imagine a sort of animation for a moment, because imagine as if I'm trying to take this 4 of B and merging it into here. These box, all 4 boxes will be forced in this one box. Again, I'll take these 4 boxes, put it here, all 4, 4, 4. And why would I do this? Because box sizes are same and I have to bring this purple in connection to B, and this is only possible if I merge two boxes one inside the other. Imagine you get two boxes, okay, from let's say any e-commerce website. Both the boxes are same in size, which means imagine box A and box B. You can either try to insert box A into B or vice versa. B can also fit inside A and A can also fit inside B, like this. So if I have B, this box which has 4 partitions, if I try to take this box and put it inside this box which is of same size but the partition insides are 5, it can be fit. How? Like this. Now this 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This blue represents this 5, which is B only. How do I fit this B again with 4 partition inside this? Like this. One box came here. Look at the 4 partitions, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what are these 4 boxes? This is this B box. Imagine as if I'm putting the whole 4 boxes inside this. 4 same whole box inside this, 4 inside this, 4 inside this, and 4 inside this. And now how many partitions do I have total? 4, 4, 4, 4, and 4, which means total 20. And 20 is the LCM of 5 and 4. So whole message behind putting one box inside the other, and you can do the vice versa also. Suppose if I take this 5 parts B box and try to fit inside the 4 box, you can do it. This time I'll try to bring 5 inside each box like this. But this time in this 4 partitions, since 5 small boxes are coming, so this is how they will fit in. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each 4 parts will be broken into 5 parts because 5 is what coming inside this. Again, what is the LCM? This time only the order changed, but it's still the same. 5, 4, 20. 20, 20 LCM. So the whole purpose behind this exercise was to connect somehow this B to each other. And now the only connection possible is through LCM. Let me give this ratio as second and this ratio as 1. Now try to see A here. A is 3 and C is 7. And this 20 is represented by both first and second ratios. But they are still not proportional, means equal or proportional. Why? Because of the same logic. Try to remember, we changed one part of a problem. As if, imagine this, this is the equality problem. Now we just changed or modified our RHS while not making any changes in LHS. These are my LHS. I did not do any change here. I did not do any change here. All I modified is my B through LCM because they were separated earlier. 5 and 4, there were two boxes for B. It is not possible. I'll have to think of a way to connect these two different boxes in one, and only way it is possible is through LCM. When I make more smaller pieces, so I did this, but this changed the center piece. Now I'll have to do the modification in the other ratios. Basically in 3 and 7 also I'll have to do same changes. How? First ratio was written like this, 3 ratio 5, and now my 5 has changed to 20. Second ratio was written like 4 ratio 7. 4 ratio 7. This 4 has changed to 20. Okay. Now for a moment imagine 3 ratio 5 is written like this, and this has changed to something and 20. So 4 was that multiplier. Multiply by 4 like this. Imagine 4 ratio 7 is written like this. But this 4 was changed to 20 like this. Multiply by 5. So what will happen here like this. Same here, this 3. Sorry. So this 5 was changed into 20. How? 5 was multiplied by 4. So 3 has also must also be multiplied by the same number to balance the equation. And this time we don't have equation, we have numerator and denominator to balance. Since we imbalanced or modified the denominator, I'll have to make the same changes in the numerator. This is how my ratio will look. Okay, let me write here. First ratio is this, which was changed to this, but here 5 was changed to 20 by multiplying 4. So I'll have to do in the numerator also. My new ratio becomes 20 over 12 over 20. Second is 4 ratio and remember second is B ratio C. First is A ratio B. Now 4 ratio 7 can be written like 4 over 7. I changed my 4 to 20 like this, since 5 was a new modifier which a number that modified my ratio. So I'll have to make the same changes in the denominator, and now my new ratio becomes 20 and 35. And now if we see here 20 and 20, common key connection, which means I am now free to write ratios, these three values. Now imagine as if B has become 1. Earlier it was 2, two different numbers. Now we have made 1 through LCM, and this is that B, and third value is 35. I hope it is clear, and if you have any other questions, you can drop a message. Thanks.